Look at you guys, came out in numbers. Thank you for being with us today. Welcome to IAAPA Expo 2025. And to the hottest place on the floor, the Sally Dark Rides booth. Thank you all for being here. It's truly a special moment. The first public debut of Phantom Theater, set to haunt and delight guests in 2026 at Kings Island. Today marks an exciting new chapter in the legendary story of Phantom Theater. After captivating generations of Kings Island fans with its unforgettable charm, whimsy, and just the right amount of mystery, this beloved dark ride is making its triumphant return. Bigger, bolder, and more immersive than ever. Here to tell you a little bit more about how this project came to life is our chairman and president, John Wood.
Well, they couldn't make it easy. I'm John Wood. I'm so happy that all of you have come to our unveiling. This ride has been around for a long time, but we're redressing it and creating a new experience for all the fans of Phantom Theater. Our history with Kings Island goes way back. We're replacing one of our existing rides, Boo Blasters on Boo Hill, with this new attraction, Phantom Theater. Before that, it was Scooby-Doo's Haunted Mansion. We're so happy to be working with Kings Island and the Six Flags group again because it's in our DNA. Boo Blasters was there for 15 solid years. But in the background were all these rumblings about the old Phantom Theater and how wonderful that experience was and how memorable it was for all the people who go to the Kings Island. It shows what power a dark ride has on the audience of theme parks. And we're pleased, very happy, to be able to announce the ride today and introduce to you some of the folks from Six Flags. Before I go much further, I want to point out the designer on our team that worked very closely with the Six Flags group, Drew Edward Hunter. He's Vice President of Creative Amusement, Creative Design. He worked directly with Ken Parks and the entire design team at Six Flags to create this marvelous show. And it's my pleasure now to introduce Tony Clark, who is Regional Manager of Public Relations at Cedar Six Flags, Cedar Fair and Six Flags.
Hello, everybody. Oh, come on, trade show floor. How are we doing today? It's a dark ride. Who doesn't love a dark ride? Perfect. Hey, listen, it is a great honor to be up here on stage with one of my favorite manufacturers, Sally Dark Rides, and it's even a bigger pleasure for me to have the chance to work with the Kings Island team and with Sally to bring this beloved attraction back to life. Phantom Theater existed at Kings Island from 1992 to 2002, and I don't know what it was about this ride, but you ask anybody who has gone to Kings Island growing up or who has experienced the park over the years, they remember this ride and they remember very specific things about it, and they are more than happy to tell you those specific things. They're also more than happy to tell all of us on our team, hey, can you guys bring this ride back? Finally, that call has been answered, and here we are introducing Phantom Theater next year at Kings Island in 2026. Now, we knew guests had passion when we introduced a live stage show based on Phantom Theater, which was Phantom Theater Encore. How many of you had a chance to see that live show? How many of you recognize these folks up here who are definitely not alive and are here to help us, the ushers from the show. So based on that show, we knew the guests loved it because they said, oh my gosh, you guys have to bring this back. Every show was packed. People were so passionate about that show. Having seen it a few times, I will say it was one of my favorite live shows ever seen. Now you can actually ride the show, ride the attraction in this new ride. We're so happy to be working with Sally Dark Rides on this. The prestigious crew and the team that they have, their attention to detail, all of the things about storytelling that matter to them matter to us, and we couldn't be more happy to be working with them. All the updated tech inside the ride, you're going to be able to do things you haven't been able to do in that ride before. The new tech is in there, new special effects, wind, lights, projection, things like that. Your familiar characters are back from the old ride. The Maestro, No Legs Larry the Usher, Hilda Bovine, the Great Garbanzo, and many more. We also have a few new characters added to the ride, which I can't give away all the secrets today, but I will say there is a new cat, Arpeggio, or as we call him, Archie, who will be joining Maestro inside Phantom Theater. And there's also some Easter eggs from the former ride, so when you ride it, you have to look around you during the entire experience to see if you recognize anything from the original ride. It's no longer a static ride-through experience, which is the most exciting part of this. Guests will be able to participate in this attraction. Basically, it's a brand new theater, it's a dark and stormy night, and then there's a lightning strike, and it makes chaos. You're going to ride in enchanted opera boxes with No Legs Larry. You're going to be part of his usher team. You have to go through the Phantom Theater with, oh, by the way, another reveal you probably weren't expecting is a new interactive device you'll be using on Phantom Theater. It's in here somewhere. There it is. With this. This is the Spellbound flashlight, and you will use this to capture the ghost notes that have escaped Maestro's organ throughout the ride. So this is your new interactive device. Pretty cool. New animatronic characters, special effects, wins, as I said, and most importantly, it's fun for all ages, and that's what we love about a family attraction. Something that the kids can ride, Grandpa can ride, Grandpa and the grandkids can ride, enthusiasts like me and you can ride. It's just going to be a wonderful attraction where we're so excited to have it at Kings Island and bring it back to all of our fans. So you probably want to see what Sally Dark Rides has been working on, yes? Okay, so I'll bring Lauren back up. Yep, come on up.
Are you guys ready to peek behind this velvet curtain? Well, without further ado, let's meet the Phantoms once again.
Hello, music lovers! I am known far and wide as the Maestro, but my good friends call me the Maestro.
And he is an amazing talent, a true pipe organ artiste extraordinaire.
That I am indeed. My fellow performers and I invite you to experience the all-new, totally entertaining Phantom Theater. It's been well over 20 years, but we're back!
Our entire cast has returned and can't wait for the curtain to rise on opening night.
It's going to be a truly memorable evening.
The flashlights are all ready for our ushers to seat our audience.
Oh, I hope all goes well. I'd hate for the premiere performance of my newest pipe organ masterpiece to be ruined by
The ghost notes? Oh dear, that would be a disaster. It could turn our opening night into, well, a real opening nightmare.
So now's the time. We need your help to capture the ghost notes so that performance doesn't become a complete disaster. Are you excited to ride? So are we. Thank you so much for joining us. If you would like to speak with any of us from Sally Dark Rides, from the Six Flags creative team, myself from Kings Island, please come forward. Or if you want to get a closer look at Maestro and No Legs Larry from Phantom Theater Opening Nightmare, please come forward and get your photos. And we'll be here throughout the trade show. So, and one other surprise. We have some limited edition posters to give away too.
My name is
Yep, limited editions. That means do not put them on eBay. Save them for yourself. myself to commemorate this special occasion. We'll have them right over here for you to pick up if you would like to grab a complimentary one. These guys will also be talking throughout the day, so please come back and see the different interactions they have. Thank you so much, everyone.
You may have a problem. A problem? What sort of problem, may I ask? I think I saw a ghost. Oh, no.
Kings Island just revealed their newest attraction. I'm here with the legend. Legend, can you introduce yourself?
You are way more legendary. I'm Tony. I represent Cedar Point and Kings Island for public relations, communications, and today's a big day here with Sally Dark Rides. We're excited.
Absolutely. So Kings Island just revealed Phantom Theater, right?
Phantom Theater opening nightmare.
Okay, so they had an attraction in the 90s. So what separates this attraction from the one in the 90s?
Yeah, so when you rode the original attraction from 92 to 2002, you were just riding through it as a passive participant. You watched the scenes, you laughed, you got scared a little, and then that was the end of the ride. This version takes that storyline, changes it up a little bit, adds new technology, which, by the way, I thought I would give you a little Melanin Coaster Network exclusive. Because I pulled this out during the presentation, but you're the only ones that I've done it with in an interview. You ready?
Let's do it.
So this is your interactive element. This is your spellbound flashlight. Here, you can take it.
And I can touch it.
So basically what you're going to do is, so a lightning strike hits Maestro's pipe organ, and it releases a bunch of these ghost notes. They're musical notes that are going to be all over Phantom Theater. You have to take your spellbound flashlight as an usher with no legs, Larry. You're going to look through the theater to find the ghost notes, and you have to capture them with your flashlight. And then when you capture them and you get rid of all of them, then the show can begin and Maestro can do his show.
This is awesome. Tell me this is not awesome.
But look at the button. Even the button itself, like very fast action, so you can press it very fast. It's easy to hold. Anybody can hold it. Even like folks with dexterity issues, it's lightweight, easy to press the button. So yeah.
So last question: is there any type of competition with other people riding the attraction that will be using this device as well?
It's a great question, yes. And we will actually share more about the experience over the winter. I can't give you that. I can't give you those details. Hey, look, I gave you the one. Yeah, but there will be, obviously it's interactive, so yes, you have to capture so many ghost notes, so you could probably figure there's going to be a little competition going on between you and your fellow ushers.
I got you. Tony, thank you once again.
Yep, nope, yeah, that's all right, I got that.
I tried to take it home.
You thought you were going to be slick. No, you can't.
Thank you. I'm the only person that touched that besides Tony.
True.
Just let y'all know.